Hey everybody, I want to introduce a build that I have started working on. I haven't got really far on it, and this thing I've actually started it a long time ago, and for some reason I stopped building it. So now I'm going to get it done and get it out of that damn box. Don't like having these boxes sit around, but this is the 57 Chevy California wheels, so it's a what are they, restroom rods? And they put them wheels on it. But it comes with a bunch of wheels in the kit. I'm of course going to put them nice big wheels on it. But as you can tell, got some pieces here and there. The body I have cleaned up, I think most of the body lines. I think I've even scribed all the panel lines. Try to sand the hell out of everything. You can see the trunk is scribed pretty good. These are the wheels that come in a kit and I'm going to use. They're all glued up. I'm going with the tan interior. I got to do some color painting on that. The engine, this is what I did a long time ago. So I still got to drill holes and everything like that for it. And there's like 4 or 5 different ways you can build this kit, so I got to go back through and look at all the parts. There's the chassis. I painted it all black. Like I said, I did it a long time ago. And I put the cart before the horse, and I glued on parts that normally I would paint different colors and unglue together. But so now I got a lot of hand detail and painting to do. But so ain't no big deal. So there's that. One thing I wanted to show off, was I got me some ribbon for seatbelts. I got this at the Hobby Lobby, and it's 1/16 ribbon is what you want for the seatbelts. I did 3 different colors. I did bright red, dark red, and black. And then I saw this one cord, and I don't know how well you can see it, but it kind of looks like braided hose or anything like that. So I might try it and see how it works. It might work better than what I used for that one. And see how it goes. It is smaller. That one I did where it was a lot bigger. I do see some cars, they got some huge gas lines, so it'll be fine with me for that. But that's all I have so far. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you have a great one. Bye.